Cleaning process for the Pro and Air. Place a towel on your work surface as needed. Brush the comfort tip. Brush the microphone. Cleaning the tubing. Turn tubing base counterclockwise to remove, or hold tubing base firm and twist the body clockwise to detach. Insert wire through tubing base. Wipe end of wire clean. Repeat as necessary. Reattach tubing to the body. Brush the comfort tip and microphone daily and clean the tubing weekly for optimal sound quality. Ask a friend or family member for help as needed.